up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Rico here, and today I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a POV with the Cervini 4-inch hood on my 2016 Mustang GT. I've been getting a whole bunch of questions talking about how is it to look over, like when you're driving or parking, especially at night. Does it like confuse you or does it block you a lot? And today I'm gonna answer you guys those questions. So the hood, I really do like it. It doesn't get in my way that much at all. Matter of fact, you definitely got to get used to it. But I mean, once you get used to it, I mean, you'll be straight. I love this hood. Believe it or not, it does your IAT temps run a bit cooler because of since I don't know if you guys can see because of the reflection, but there's a mesh grill that comes around from the hood that extracts all the heat from your engine. So since I have a JLT, it's gonna be an open air box. So it's like an open air box intake, whatever. So it's breathing in, like when you're stopped, it's breathing in like the heat from the engine when you're at a stop because you're not moving, so it's not getting air. So basically when you're rolling or even when you're just like stopped, the IAT temps run a bit cooler. You guys can see right here 96 degrees, 97 degrees right now while I'm rolling. But when I'm stopped, since it's an open box, of course it always goes up. So that actually helps run it a little cooler because it's taking out the heat. It's basically like a heat extractor, and it's crazy because once you're stopped, you can actually see all the heat coming out, and I find that pretty sick. But yeah, guys, so that's a plus. I love it. The IAT temps are a bit cooler when you're stopped, and when you're cruising, it's, well, as you guys can see, 95 degrees right now, 95. It jumps from 95 to 97. That's perfect. I honestly don't think it's that bad. In some situations, it could be bad. I understand, but like when I'm cruising on the highway, perfectly fine. Of course, it's gonna, you know, take some visibility off. Of course, I love the look. I love how it hides the wipers. I personally just love that. God damn, hella traffic, no cap. But yeah, guys, I personally do love the hood. Guys, I love the hood. I love how it looks. Overall, I really do like the hood. It's not the worst hood. Quality and fitment, honestly, the fitment's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, fitment's good. Okay, the only issue I'm having, but it's not really an issue, when I pop the hood latch, it like stays stuck. So you gotta, well, I go from both sides and lift it up. Some people do the corner. I'm not a big fan of that because I feel like, I don't know, I just don't like the sensation of it like tilting sideways and shit. So I like doing it even. So I do from the front, from both sides, from like the headlight. You know how the hood comes out a little bit? I shove my hand in, I lift it up, and then it just pops out, and then simple. That could be just me, maybe I have my latch set too low, you know. That could be the issue, but I'm not even gonna mess with it. It doesn't bother me. As you guys can see, I'm running 103 IAT temps right now when I was stopped here. That's because of the open box. So dropping since we're rolling. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. This is my 2016 intake in the 85 and custom exhaust, or exhaust if you want to say, Mustang and X pipe. So yeah, guys, it's nothing crazy. You gonna go in? What are you trying to do here? I'm kind of confused. Go for it, bro. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. I'm so confused. Honestly, fuck you. I don't know what this guy's trying to do. But anyways, yeah, guys, I personally love the hood. Car made 427 wheel. Shout out to my tuner George. The dyno vlog is up if you guys hadn't seen it. I'll put it up above right now. I think it's this way. I don't know, one of those. You guys will see it, the eye on the top. If you guys haven't seen the front end either, you guys just check out the reveal / photo shoot. It's a pretty sick video. Like, you see, like right here in this situation, it's kind of hard to see all the potholes and all that, but all you gotta do is just lift your head up a little bit and you'll be straight. It ain't that bad. But hey guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you guys want to see more POV action, just go to my previous vlogs. You can see a vlog of me racing. So if you guys want to see how it looks like when you're racing and shit, there's a vlog on that. I'll put it up here now. And just overall other videos, you know, I got some POVs and stuff like that. Maybe you guys will enjoy it. So once again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.